There's anger and frustration tonight over a West Michigan judge's decision to ban victims' families from talking directly to offenders at sentencing.
They can't wear clothes with their loved ones' names or pictures either. The directive came from Kent County Circuit Court Judge Scott Noto, who presided over Gary Artman's trial this week, this for the 1996 slaying of Sharon Hammock.
Target 8 investigator Susan Samples reports Hammock's sisters want to address the killer at this sentencing, not the court.
He tortured her and killed her and took her from us.
The rawest rage, moments after a jury found their sister's rapist and killer, Gary Artman, guilty.
After all this time, what that monster took.
Tina DeYoung is desperate to tell Artman to his face at sentencing, but Judge Scott Noto won't allow it. Reminded the county's victim advocates in an email this week, victim statements need to be directed to the judge and not the defendant. And Noto will not tolerate any clothing that has pictures of anything regarding the victim in the courtroom, a huge departure from so many courtroom scenes.
What were her last words? Did she suffer?
From vicious killers to sexual predators.
Tell them they matter.
The judge in the case of disgraced sports doctor Larry Nassar allowed 150 victim impact statements. And when Jeffrey Willis walked out of his sentencing for the murder of Rebecca Bletch before her family could speak,
"This is not right. We won't stand for it."
Legislators passed Rebecca's law requiring defendants be present for victim impact statements unless judges deem them disruptive or a safety threat. At Jared Chance's sentencing for the murder of Ashley Young, whose head, hands, and feet have never been found.
You had no right to take her from me!
I shouldn't have screamed in the courtroom. I shouldn't have, and I know that.
Even so, Ashley's mom, Christine Young, does not regret it.
That's the only way that I could release that anger, the hurt, everything he has done.
When she heard about Judge Noto refusing to let families address criminals directly or wear shirts in tribute.
When I first read it, I was like instantly pissed. You lose so much when you can't look at them.
In a statement Friday, Judge Scott Noto said, though Michigan law protects the rights of victims' families to make statements in court, the right is tempered by the court's duty to respect the rights of all individuals involved and by the court's duty to maintain decorum and to prevent escalation of what are painful and difficult emotions into confrontation.
Judges have broad discretion about what victim impact statements look like in their court.
Angelica Ferrer, a victims advocate in Kent County, says the law gives judges broad discretion. And she's not criticizing, but speaking as an advocate, she knows some victims need to confront and sometimes yell.
This is a really loud thing in their life. That harm, that trauma is really loud in their life. And so they have loud feelings sometimes. They have loud thoughts.